Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your computer or laptop look aesthetic using the pink theme wallpaper. So in this case, I'm going to show you two methods. The first one, you can use Pinterest or you can use Canva. So here I'm going to show you the first step. You can use Pinterest and then just quickly search for desktop, or you can just go specific with pink desktop wallpaper. Okay, you can find that keyword, and in here you'll see lots of pink wallpaper that you can use for your desktop wallpaper. You can just choose which one that you think the most aesthetic. For example, I'm going to use this one by Malaysia Marcel. Let's just open the image, and then you can save this wallpaper to your laptop first. Click on this three dots icon and tap on download image. Okay, now after the wallpaper is downloaded, you can customize your desktop wallpaper by going to the desktop, right click and tap on the personalize or display settings. Okay, you can go to the personalization, go to background, and in here just tap on this personalize your background and tap on browse photos and just find the image that you downloaded. Tap on choose picture and you'll get this pink theme wallpaper. And if you want to use Canva, you can actually just do the same. So go open your Canva and then just search here in the search bar at the top. Search for wallpaper or desktop. Okay, let's try to go specific, like pink desktop wallpaper. You can hit on enter and just wait until the Canva templates show up, and you'll see there are lots of options in here that you can select and use for your computer to make it more aesthetic. You can just choose which one. For example, let's just use this one right here. Click on the template. Tap on customize this template and the template will be open. So now after the template is open, you can modify it, or you can also directly just tap on share in here and download it. Tap on download. I'm going to go with, okay, let's try the PNG. Now tap on download and wait until the image is downloaded. Now you can go back to your desktop and again right click and choose personalized. And tap on background, and under the personalize your background, tap on this browse photos and choose the one that you just downloaded from Canva. Let's close the settings, and this is the result. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.